Hey everybody, it is Carol with O'Brien Custom Turning. Today I want to show you the Mosaic series of blanks. We get these from Exotic Blanks. They are created by Mutt Blanks, so they're available from other locations as well. I do not own the whole series. These are just a portion of them. If you were interested in some of them that are not currently on our site, let me know and I can pick them up for you. They all are known for having these chunks of multicolored mosaics in them. This one is the Mosaic in turquoise. This is Color Explosion Mosaic in pink. This is Color Explosion Mosaic in fire. Color Explosion Mosaic in white. Color Explosion Mosaic in blue. And Color Explosion Mosaic in Sea Mist. Again, there are several others of these, so just let me know if you see one that you want me to pick up for you. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.